we've got to get our PJ Masks character out. So get him out. Good job. Oh no. Oh dear. Can you go and get the car that's over there, please? And we'll have a look at the PJ Masks character while you get the car. There we go. So let's put the PJ Masks character in the car. This is Catboy. Put Catboy in the car. Let's have a look at Catboy in the car. Whoa. Marley, are you going to take Catboy for a drive?
Yeah.
Let's see. So go around the other side.
Miss, my shoe. My shoe, Daddy.
Wait, we'll see if we can zoom in on Marley. Oh, I missed Marley. Here goes Catboy. Whoa, look at that.
Daddy.
You want to do that one again?
Yeah.
Oh, he went backwards. Did Catboy go backwards? Let's move over here a bit. Catboy went backwards. Can you put Catboy down again? Oh, he's going backwards again. Oh no. Catboy went backwards.
Me, Dad.
Wow.
Daddy.
Okay, we'll do Catboy one more time. Whoa! Did you get it?
Yeah.
We'll do another one now. We'll change our characters. Can you press the button? Oh, there it is. So now get the character out. Gecko Boy. There's Gecko Boy. So you get the car ready. You get the car ready and we'll have a look at Gecko Boy. Oh, you're sitting in front of the camera. Here's Gecko Boy in the car. And Marley.
I want that.
You're going to put Gecko Boy down the slide, aren't you? Oh no, you're right.
Say time.
Go and put Gecko Boy down the slide.
Say time.
Oh, two at once. Oh. Here we go. Whoa. So go around and make them go all the way down the slide. Put them through that way. Whoa. There goes Catboy. Oh, what about Gecko Boy? Whoa. Gecko Boy, what about Catboy? Catboy's the blue one. Oh, Catboy's going backwards. Catboy's going backwards. What about Gecko Boy? Ah, there goes Gecko Boy. Here comes Catboy. Catboy's going backwards. Oh, we better... There we go. Oh, you're going to stop Catboy from going. Who stopped Catboy?
Me.
Okay, here we go. What about Gecko Boy? Oh, here goes Gecko Boy. Whoa! Can you do both at the same time? Do one after the other. So get ready for the next one. Oh, here goes Catboy. Whoa, you caught it.
Yeah, took it.
What about Gecko Boy? Is Gecko Boy going down?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. Woo! Here goes Gecko Boy. And what about Catboy? Put Catboy down. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Can you do both at the same time, one after the other?
Cheers.
Oh, there we go. There goes Gecko Boy. Catboy. It's a bit of a convoy. Oh.
Daddy?
Yeah. Oh, who's in there? There's Owlette. Can you get Owlette out? Oh,
Got it.
you got it. Okay, let's put Owlette in the Owlette mobile.
That one.
Yeah, why not? Let's put her in here.
Mama, there's pure dirty and blue one.
There's Owlette. Who's going in there? Oh, there's a little Owlette. She doesn't bend, so she'll have to just watch. Oh, Owlette fell over. A bit of a hand. And then here's Catboy. They go down.
What?
Here goes Catboy. Whoa.
Boy.
Got you, Catboy. Which one next? Here we go. There's Gecko. What about Owlette?
That one.
Yeah, we'll do Catboy. Here goes Catboy. Whoa. Here goes Catboy again. Here goes Catboy. Whoa. What about Owlette?
This.
That's Gecko Boy. Do Gecko Boy. Oh, here we go. Go Gecko Boy. There we go. What about Owlette? Owlette's in the red one.
That one.
Yeah, the red one.
That one.
Yeah.
How do you go?
Here we go. Oh, Owlette.